Welcome to this meditation, designed to help you prepare for a peaceful night's sleep. You can practice it before getting into bed, or while already lying in bed and ready to listen. In either case, make sure you've completed everything you need to in order to be ready to fall asleep after the meditation. Or perhaps even during. Each of us falls asleep at different paces. And it's perfectly normal if you doze off during this session. However, the intention of this meditation is to help you relax before you drift into a deep sleep. Let your body feel comfortable. Gently close your eyes. Take a moment to truly be present, feeling yourself here and now. At the end of the day, we often tend to think about the past or prepare for tomorrow. But right now, just focus on making your body comfortable, releasing any tension, and opening yourself up to peace. Start by taking 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply. Feel your chest and stomach expand. Hold your breath for a moment when you reach the top. And then exhale with a gentle sigh. Repeat this 2 more times. Inhaling deeply, holding your breath, and exhaling when you're ready. Feel the relaxation spreading through each breath. After the 3rd breath, return to a natural breathing pace, feeling a deeper connection with your body. Feel the pull of gravity. Feel yourself present in this moment. As you focus on your breath, allow any thoughts from the day, any busyness in your mind, to gently pass by. There's no need to stop or judge any thoughts. Just let them come and go without holding on to them. Simply breathe. Stay connected with your body and breath, letting any thoughts drift through without being caught up in them. Notice how when you don't chase after them, they don't stay for long. Take a few more breaths like this, keeping your mind quiet, simply observing and accepting everything without resistance. You may begin to feel that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. That you are right where you need to be. And that everything is working out in its own way. Allow yourself to slow down. Feeling safe in this moment. You're transitioning from day to night. From worry to calm. Now, focus on your heart, located in the center of your chest, just a few inches inward. Breathe into this space for a few breaths. Affirm to yourself, I am ready for peace, ready to feel love and relaxation. Notice how your body responds to these affirmations. If there's any remaining tension in your body, release it. Only use what's necessary and nothing more. You are safe to relax and let everything go. Feel your body preparing for a beautiful night's rest. If there's anything you'd like your dreams to help you with tonight, set that intention now. You can ask for your dreams to assist with something you're processing in your waking life. And ask that you clearly remember the lessons from your dreams. Thank yourself, because your dreams are you. And whatever intention you set will come true. Trust that everything good is on its way, and feel a deep sense of gratitude for taking this time. Even before sleep arrives, you already feel peaceful and calm. Feel grateful for the perfect night's rest ahead, and begin transitioning from meditation into sleep. Do whatever you need to make this transition slowly, and enjoy every moment of it. Thank you for being here, and may you have the most restful sleep imaginable.